We are looking at how to pronounce this brand name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names from golf too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? XXiO. XXiO. Don't ask me why this is. I actually don't know. I guess it should be said XXiO. You know, XXiO. If you put an A or an E between the two X's. So that's probably why it is normally said as XXiO. XXiO. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from golf whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.